Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you make a Skype account. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Skype application, tap on create one, and it will take you to this page. You have to write your phone number or your email address and then type next. Then you have to set a strong password and then type next again. After giving your password, it will take you to next page, and here you have to write your username and your surname and then type next again. Now in the next page you have to give your country and your date of birth to proceed further, and then type next again. Now you have to verify your email, check your email, and you will have the code on your email. Now you have to solve this puzzle in terms to prove that you are a human, you are not a robot. So you have complete this verification by telling the right direction of that specific animal through the arrows. After completing your verification, your account will be created. This is how you can create an account on Skype. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can make a Skype account easily.